Alright YouTube, so the last video I posted on this channel was of my Ninja 300's exhaust. Since then, I've upgraded from two bikes, my 600, which I have one video of, and what I currently own now is my 2008 ZX10R. Let me show you it all real quick before I get to it. The smoke taillight. It's been in the shop for about 3 weeks because I blew a valve on it. Well, I didn't. The guy before me did. And it happened to blow whenever it was with me. So, alright, let's get to it though. So, I just got my new exhaust from Danmoto in today. Be very careful with all this. Come on. It is the carbon fiber exhaust. The actual name for it. There. Get into the light real quick. Y'all can see. I will post a link to another eBay auction of this in case anybody is wondering, because I really don't know the actual name for it. Oh look, it's already a scratch on it. Great. Okay, so this is gonna be the before video. Let's do that real quick. Now for the after. Alright, this is the finished product now. It took only about an hour really to actually install it. Only problem I had was that when I bought this bike, I guess they didn't have one of the parts here that extends it out longer is what I'm guessing. I don't know what it's for. So it took a while to get it and fit it perfectly though, and this kind of got it stuck, so I got to go to one of the hardware stores to get it removed or whatever. But yeah, it fit perfectly finally after a while, and this is what it sounds like.